Ta-da! Look at that. Yeah, so there it is. It's on there now, and I think I need to get some water. I'm gonna sit down for a second. Look who came to visit! I'm excited. Alright, so Tim and I are having too much fun. We forgot to record. So in our childlike behavior, we managed to mount up his new triples. That is ridiculous. We're talking Mad Max style. I even want to put a headlight in there. Look at that. So we've got on the big old broken phone swing arm. And we got the spring kind of mounted, but we need to bolt it in. We're going to go ahead and install it real quick, see what it kind of looks like. And you know, like I never do 2 takes, so it's like, God, this is going to be on camera. Fattest razor ever. That's a big bit. Hey, this is really good. Wow. You just help people when they help themselves. Okay. Alright, we just got to mount the shock and then we'll put it on the wheel. It's like, I choose you! It's looking great. Don't tell anyone! Hello, Chris. It's not the cops. It's my neighbor. What's up, Mr. Neighbor? Yeah. This is the original owner of the Cafe Racer, the one that got me in trouble.
Is his garage gonna drop on the gun?
Yes. Nothing in this place is child resistant. Yeah. Yeah. Definition of the day, Malay.
These motherfuckers, they run out.
Might have to get a shorter shot. Yeah, if not, what I could do is, well, it'd be really close, but I could drill another hole lower.